right, beautiful people. So we have the family out. We even got little man. This is our first time at Busch Gardens. So we're surprising the kids with tickets to go. I'm looking at what we're about to walk into, which is some water. It's been raining, but it's all to the good. We making it happen. Ricky didn't care. He splashed his way through the puddle. But nonetheless, it's coming up to the holiday. What are you about to say?
I was just say, yes, the kids' first time at Busch Gardens.
Yes, yes. And it's going to be one to remember because it's going to be surprise tonight, which I'm not going to say all of the surprises, but it's been already a surprise. They didn't know we were coming here. And when Rain saw that we were here, she was so happy. What did you say, Rain?
I said I was happy to be here.
Yes, she was so happy to be here. She said we were the best parents too.
Said, yeah, you guys are the best.
Hello, and that's memorable. So that was memorable for me. But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and get inside. We'll let you all see all the fun things that we get to participate in, and we'll be coming back. We have season passes, so we'll keep you aware of what is going on at Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay. Let's go. Remember those little things that you talk about? The other school, TT Deborah School?
Yeah.
What's the name of it? Huh? All right, I'm about to show you them.
I was going.
Do you see it? Come here. Do you see it? Look. Do you see how big it is? I told you. I got you, Ricky. Hold on. Come here. Oh. You see how big it is? Huh? It's 2 gates. It's not going to get you. They can't even climb gates. Let's look at it from another way. Let's look at it. Come here, I'm going to hold you.
No.
Do you see the gator? Huh?
You like the alligator, Missy?
You like it? Look at that.
You see the
All right, so we see the lions over here. It's kind of dark, so y'all won't see it, but Crystal wanted y'all to hear Ricky do his lion voice. Let me hear your lion voice, Ricky.
So.
How does it sound? Oh, let me get it again. Do it again.
Say it.
Yeah, buddy. See that, right? Wow. 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 level. Little runners.
I kind of wonder how long it is.
Whoa. What'd you say, Rain?
I said it was a good. It is raining. It's gonna be a rainy day for.
Well, we made it to the car just in time. We didn't get stuck in the rain. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, it was a little bit rain on us. I just feared the rain. Nobody else feared the rain.
Okay.
So,
But did you like the fireworks? Did you like the surprise for today?
Yes, it was good. And you guys have a good day, because today when it's nighttime it's gonna be movie day.
Oh, interesting. So, Ricky, what'd you think about it? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you like the fireworks were loud? But did you like them?
Yeah.
Because you woke up this morning and said you wanted to see fireworks, and guess what? You did. You remember that?
Yes, he loves fireworks a lot. He keeps saying, "Rain, rain, that's fireworks. Rain, rain, that's fireworks."
Oh.
All day last night.
Oh. Well, today he had a chance to see them.
Last night, yesterday.
Okay. Well, tell the beautiful people bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later.
Bye-bye.
Say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. And make that thumbs up.
Woo woo. Thank you, Rain. That was awesome. Peace.